Hey guys, come back here. So today we're doing the Skoshbox, and this one's from Japan, or Tokyo, I'm pretty sure. Pretty good artwork, and it's actually from Japan. So this box took like a month and a half to come here. So yes, yeah. This box got canceled if you wanted, because it shipped a long time ago. They sent us an email saying the company is closing. So yeah. So if you guys want to try this out for yourself, I think you're gonna have to get it off of eBay. We did not do that. We actually ordered it straight from the company. So yeah. Okay. Comes in a little pouch. And it comes with a little card. And if you guys recognize my kitty, it kind of looks like my kitty. I think it is my type of kitty. Look how cute that is. Aw. It says yummy treats from Japan. Snack code, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. Comes in this little bag. I'm just gonna it looks like artwork. Then stop. They got a really good artist. So I'm just gonna randomly pick in this bag, and don't Plucky. Don't make fun of me in the comments that I get something wrong. Some of the stuff I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the video. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Just like yum. Smells like lemon yogurt. It actually is really good. If you guys don't know what Pocky is, it's like they give you like a stick and then they put chocolate on it. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But yeah. So, Pocky. Pretty good. That was lemon. I think these are chews. Alright. Remember, all this stuff is from Japan. Oh. Guys, look at this. You see that? Like pure sugar. Oh. It's got a weird first taste, but the aftertaste actually pretty good. It actually tastes like grapes. Next thing, we have soybeans. I think these are Doritos. I think Doritos came out with a new flavor. Soybeans. But I'm not even gonna try that. I don't even want to try that. That smells really bad. Okay. You know, in the US, we have some of these, and then, guys, once we went to Chinatown, and they had like a drink that was shaped kind of like this, and it was actually really good. I actually really liked it. I got strawberry, and it's kind of shaped like this. So yeah. Don't even know. Oh wait. Yeah, open. My cameraman's gonna open this here. Sorry if you hear like crunching in the background. I mean, paper rustling in the background. It's my cameraman trying to open it. I think this is for coffee. Oh wow. I guess it's for coffee. Because I'm a savage, I'm gonna eat some of that stuff. Oh. What is that? What is that?
It looks like coffee bean candy.
What is that? That's one of the most horrible things I've ever tasted. Oh, those things are gross. Okay. Yeah, powdery. I think these are Pez. I think that's like the version of Pez. Actually, it tastes like Pez. What flavor are these? It tastes like lime Pez. This actually might be gum. Yeah, here you go. It's lemon gum. There's a little tear strip here. If I do spit it out, it's not because it's bad. It's probably because I wanna. If I say it's bad, it's bad. But if I do spit it out, it's not because I don't like it. It's because I have to move on with the video. Looks like, ooh, what's the filling in there?
It looks like taffy.
Probably. I do like taffy. Look. Oh my. That's really good.
Is it taffy? Like taffy? Is it gum?
I swallowed it.
Like Mentos?
I swallowed it. Yeah, but it's not how I gum. Is that true? Someone watching this knows what that says. Please tell me I just not eat gum. Please tell me that is gum. Nothing in the rest in here. Nope. There's the box. Here's the little thing. That was my review of the box. So yeah, I'm gonna have some fun enjoying these things. And so yeah, that was my review of the Skoshbox.
Skoshbox.
Skoshbox. Peace.